Real quick, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway of everything you see here. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and comment your favorite part of this video. Let's get into it.
What's up, guys? FIREbirdaustin here. Sorry I'm a little sick, or I was sick, but I lost my voice. But I'm at this river in North Georgia after Coosa Bass. There's a bunch of them in here, but there's also stripers. So I'm going to try and target both of them and see if we can't get some nice fish today. And then after this spot, I'm trying to go to a canyon in Northeast Alabama after Coosa Bass. There's just Coosa Bass in this canyon. So hopefully we'll have time to make it there as well. It shouldn't be too far, but let's get on some fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna get started at this spot, fishing this creek. Let's see if there's any stripers trying to bite. I got the Strike King Sexy Dog tied on. I know. I said I know, I wish. Alright, tied on a 6 cents jerk bait. So 106 provoke. Backlash. There's something.
Did you get red-eye?
Yeah.
Rooster Tail?
Yep. Finally, a Coosa Bass. It's a little guy. Wouldn't count for the slam.
No, I know that.
I just got him out of the way for you. That's all. You're welcome. Look at that. That's a pure Coosa Bass right there.
Beautiful little guy.
Tiny, tiny little one.
You are getting eaten by bandit.
I didn't bring my bucket. All right, cutie. I'm going to get you back in. See ya, dude.
I don't like having to resort to rooster tails because I feel like it's just, you know what I mean? You know what I mean.
I don't mind it, dude. Like, to me, it's still a fast-moving bait. You see fish, chase it. And I've caught fish 3 pounds on them. Like,
Yeah.
fish of all sizes will eat.
I was trying to throw it in those little roots underneath that thing.
Oh, I feel you.
All right. Now I'm going to kill myself.
Dang.
Look at this. You see this?
That's so not cash money, dude. I'm sorry. Whoa. That's a species of perch I've never caught. Dude, I just had this perch follow it in. But it's like the a species of perch I discovered literally last night that I've never caught before. I discovered it while I was on Fish Brain looking at these spots, and I was like, whoa, I've never caught a perch like that before. Oh!
You good?
No, he missed. Well, he hit it, but missed the hook. I will wait for you. I'm sorry, Grizz. That's totally an 8-inch Coosa.
It is. That's why I'm trying to stay ahead of you. That's why I'm like, every time you move, I'm like...
Oh, yeah. He's beautiful. Got nice bronze fins. I got it. Let's go. It's a beautiful Coosa Bass right there, guys. Wow. I love these fish. There's Grizz over there. All right, buddy. Go live a Nice healthy life. Get bigger. See ya, dude. There he goes. He's right there. Just chilling in the current. It's awesome, man. Let's go. Yeah, just come back here and cast up in there. That's where I caught mine. Right in, see how there's like the two sticks sticking out of the water on their own? I hooked them right in there. Yeah. Oh, oh. Yep. That was.
If I catch one, I owe you a $5.
You don't owe me anything, bro.
You gotta cast low and sweeping, and it's just. If they're not getting this, I didn't want to throw the popper.
Coosa. Let's go, dude.
I don't know, man. That's about 8 inches. Be free, little one.
Nice, dude. I got that on camera too. Let's go.
I actually don't know how the angle is, so I don't know if it's even seeing anything, but.
Yeah. There's a fish. Hey, a bluegill. Of course, you got all 3 hooks. There's 1 hook free. There's 2 hooks free. There's 3. Bye, little bluegill. Please don't be mad. I just got him out of the way for you, that's all. Another little beautiful Coosa bass. That's number 4 for both of us.
What you think?
My 3rd.
No fish?
Oh man, that was a big one. See you, dude. Oh, he just swam and hit me in the leg.
No, that's okay. It's a bluey. It's a little gilly. Oh,
Yeah,
what is that?
that's a large bluegill. This is bigger than the bass we're catching.
Really?
Oh, that's an 8-inch Coosa. Oh my gosh. Go measure him to be sure, because I don't know for sure.
Come take a picture for me.
Yes, I will. All right, look at that. Bluegill's so big I can lip him. See you, dude.
He goes back.
Man, he'd fill up my whole pan. That right there was a panfish. My battery died.
GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah. Grizz just released his Coosa Bass. Good enough for the Bass Slam. Let's go. That's 4 out of 5. Let's go. Oh, he's still on. No way. Bro.
Biggest fish challenge gone wrong.
Biggest fish challenge gone wrong. That's funny. Oh my gosh, it's a baby Coosa. I know, bud. I know. You thought it was your next meal.
Mom, it hurts. It hurts, Mom.
All right, bro. I'll see ya. Please swim off. Oh, there he goes. Cool. Oh my gosh, Grizz.
I won the small fish contest.
Grizz. I just had 2 fish fighting for it right out of here.
I won the small fish contest.
I think we tied. Bunch of bluegill under there. Be free.
Oh, word. No.
I got him. I couldn't get him.
Suck, man.
Oh, just grab it. Yes, sir.
You do suck.
It's not even a bass. It's a red breast. Finally, the first red breast of the day.
Beautiful.
There's one thing I hate catching more than red breast. It's bluegill. The bluegill really made you seem like a prize catch, Mr. Red Belly. See you later, dude. Dang, you just released it. Right when I ended that clip from the red breast, Grizz pulled up a Coosa right as I clicked off. You know, I'm really glad we're catching a lot of Coosas in here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't care to ever come back to the spot.
They could definitely get bigger because there's totally darters everywhere. And lots of bugs.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. You know you want it, you know you want it. Come on, come on.
They're not even trying to be alive. That's fine. So, I wouldn't be surprised at all if the bigger ones got taken out.
Oh, 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 I just got sideswiped so hard. Oh, oh,
Yeah, buddy.
yes, sir.
Bluegill.
Finally.
Nice one.
Thank you. Oh, he dropped it right as I grabbed him.
Nice hands.
Awesome, dude. Now flop out. Flop. I command you to flop. How come they always flop when you don't want them to flop and don't flop when you want them to? Just want, okay, fine. Bye.
Darn you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Darn you, Austin.
That was as soon as it hit the water.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
You want a picture of that? You already got one. You already got one for you, don't you?
I haven't taken any pictures today. Oh yeah, beautiful Coosa Bass. He pulled my line out of the tree. I thought I was snagged at first. All right, let's get the release of this beautiful Coosa Bass. See you, dude. Oh, I had a bite.
Oh. Yeah, small fish winner. I am the champion. I am the champion.
Coosa Bass?
Yeah.
Tiny Coosa. Let's go.
Bow before me in my tiny prowess.
Oh, wait. We have a contender.
No, you don't.
Hey, tiny Coosa. Dude, we got to get a fish bump for the double up. You can't answer that yet. Whose Coosa is smaller?
No, no. No way.
Dude,
Yours, mine's just barely. Please hang up. I'm not answering. And kiss. All right, release. Ready?
awesome. Let's go, dude. Nice.
That was cute.